Hello, my name is Ravina Chauhan, and in this video, I want to show you a simple linear regression problem in which we will predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they study. So this is a simple linear regression task and it involves just two variables. So for the first thing is to import the libraries. So these are the libraries that we have imported. The next step is to import the dataset. This is the URL of the dataset, and so here we have imported the dataset and I've printed the first five values by using the head. Now here I'm dividing the data into the input into the features and the labels. So input are the features are the input variables and labels are the output variables. So this capital X here contains the input variables and Y contains the output variables. Now here I'm printing the values of X and the values of Y. Now I'm plotting the scores. So by using plt.scatter, so this is the scatter plot. Next, I'm splitting the data into train test and into train data and testing data. So from sklearn.model selection, we have imported train test split, and so we are splitting the data. So here, this capital X is the input variable, Y is the output variable. Test size is 0 0.2, which means we're using 20% data for testing and rest 80% data for training. And random state is 0. So here we are training the data. We have imported linear regression and we have created an object regressor. So we're using regressor.fit to train the data. So X train and Y train we are using here. Next, we are predicting the values by using regressor.predict. And so we have stored the value in ypred. Now here I'm printing the actual values and the predicted values that the model has predicted. So here we can see there is a difference between the actual values and the predicted values. Um, for example, the actual value was 20, but the model has predicted it to be 16.884. So that the model has not exactly predicted the values. Now we are plotting the regression line. So this is a plt.scatter that we've plotted, and this line is by using plt.plot, we have plotted this line. So next we can also predict with our own data. For example, here the number of hours, for example, a student studies for 9.25 hours. So I want to predict the percentage scored by him. So if a student studies for 9.25 hours, then the percentage scored by him will be 93.69. So this is how the model has successfully predicted the value. Now we are evaluating the model. So we are evaluating the model to check how different algorithms perform with a particular data set. So here we're using mean absolute error. So the mean absolute error for our model is 4.18385. Thank you.